Stick vacuums are the perfect tool for quickly cleaning bare floors and low-pile carpets when you don't have the time or the energy to lug out your heavier, full-size canister or upright model. With home living spaces getting smaller, carpets getting less deep pile, and cordless vacuum cleaner tech improving beyond all recognition in recent years, the best cordless vacuum cleaners are now easily as effective as traditional vacs. They're also much more versatile, making them among the best vacuum cleaners you can buy. Keep watching to the end of this video to know more about our picks for the best stick vacuums to buy in 2019. Number 10. Hoover Linx. Ignore the dustpan and broom and transform everyday floor cleaning with the Hoover Linx rechargeable stick vacuum. This sleek, cordless, versatile vacuum is always ready to deliver efficient performance with its fade-free lithium-ion battery power. The battery is interchangeable and comes with a charger for easy replacement and recharging. The Hoover Linx stick vacuum is the only one that comes with Hoover wind tunnel technology and cyclonic filtration, even when moving from hard floors to area rugs to low-pile carpet. With its wide-range reclining handle, it can go underneath furniture without having to move it. Number 9. Gtech AirRam Mk2. The new high-performance AirRam from Gtech is a cordless vacuum cleaner that is specially designed for floor cleaning, with proven performance on both carpet and hard floors with no settings to change. Long runtime, lightweight, clean eject dirt system, airlock system for dirt, fine dust and large object collection, and a powerful rotating brush bar. The Gtech AirRam weighs just 3.2 kilograms when fully assembled. With an ultra-low profile handle that leans back, you can easily reach underneath furniture and move smoothly from room to room. Unique AirLock technology effortlessly picks up large debris as you push the vacuum forwards and locks on the backstroke to suck up embedded dust and fine dirt. This upright vacuum cleaner's rotating brush bar makes it ideal for removing stubborn dirt and can be used on a variety of floor surfaces. Number 8. Shark DuoClean Powered Lift Away. Keep your house beautifully clean with the Shark DuoClean Powered Lift Away Speed Vacuum. This upright vacuum features a detachable canister for portable cleaning. The vacuum features DuoClean 2 brush roll system helps vacuum fine, large, and stuck-on debris on carpets and hard floors. The powered lift-away technology allows you to lift the canister to get those hard-to-reach areas while still delivering power to keep the brush roll spinning. The swivel steering provides excellent control when moving around obstacles, and the LED lights to help you navigate dark corners and under furniture. Number 7. Shark DuoClean Cordless. Featuring Shark's exclusive DuoClean and Flexology technologies, this lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner is designed to make everyday cleaning easier, faster, and more convenient than ever before. Benefit from exceptional cleaning performance and experience the freedom to glide from carpets to hard floors without having to change brush heads. With DuoClean, charge, store, and reach anywhere in your home with Flexology. Number 6. Philips SpeedPro Max. SpeedPro Max, the latest innovation, is the best cordless vacuum cleaner so far. The revolutionary Philips SpeedPro Max picks up more dust and dirt with every stroke, even backwards and against edges, to make every move count. All accessories are integrated for an uninterrupted cleaning and a better experience. As a result, you can clean more in less time for both hard floors and carpet. The revolutionary Philips SpeedPro Max picks up more dust and dirt with every stroke, even backwards and against edges, to make every move count. All accessories are integrated for an uninterrupted cleaning and a better experience. Number 5. Bosch BCS 122GB Unlimited. If you want to keep your home clean at all times, you need a device that is always at hand whenever you need it. The Unlimited provides infinite runtime, thanks to exchangeable battery packs and a quick charger. One battery can be charged while the other battery is in use, so the device is always ready to go and never runs out of power. Runtime is infinite with Bosch Fast Charger AL1880CV, 2.3.0 Bosch power for all batteries, and running on normal power mode, because one battery can be charged while the other battery is in use. The long-lasting cartridge filter with the pure air membrane, as well as the hygienic filter, guarantees that the vacuum cleaner releases air that is clean and harmless. Number 4. Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute. Dyson V10 Absolute Vacuum. Engineered to deep clean, anywhere. The torque drive cleaner head, strong pickup performance across all surfaces. With a DC motor housed within the brush bar, it transfers torque more efficiently, to dig bristles deeper into carpet, and dislodge more dirt. Torque drive cleaner head provides up to 35 minutes of fade-free run time. Engineered with soft woven nylon, and anti-static carbon fiber, for hard floors. Soft roller cleaner head provides up to 40 minutes of fade-free run time. The 7-cell, nickel-cobalt aluminum battery has the fade-free power to clean here, there and everywhere around your home. The fully sealed filtration system traps 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air. Designed to absorb vibrations and dampen sound, to keep sound levels down. Number 3. Dyson V8 Absolute. The Dyson V8 Absolute vacuum cleaner has a soft roller cleaner head for hard floors, and a motorized cleaner head to remove dirt from carpets. Spins at up to 107,000 RPM to create powerful suction. Engineered with soft woven nylon, and anti-static carbon fiber, for hard floors. Powerful suction for whole home cleaning, up to 40 minutes in powerful mode, and up to 25 minutes with motorized cleaner head. Switch between max mode for up to 7 minutes of high power, and powerful mode for longer, day-to-day cleaning. Number 2. Vax Blade2 Max 40V. Keep your home spotless with the Vax Blade2 Max 40V vacuum cleaner. Designed for effortless cleaning, this vacuum cleaner offers multi-surface cleaning performance in a lightweight and innovative package. The Vax Blade2 maintains constant high pickup performance even when the battery is low. The lithium-ion battery provides a 45-minute runtime and no loss of suction for continuous cleaning performance. The new brushless DC motor gives you up to 3 times greater performance, and spins up to 2.5 times faster than a traditional brushed vacuum motor. This next-generation design allows the motor to last up to 8 times longer whilst being both smaller and lighter than existing motors. Number 1. Dyson V11. Twice the suction of any cord-free vacuum. Cord-free cleaning, made easier. Intelligently optimizes suction and run time, to deep clean everywhere. With fade-free battery power, and a battery-saving trigger. And real-time reporting on the LCD screen to give you control of your clean. The Dynamic Load Sensor, DLS, system automatically changes the motor speed between carpets and hard floors. For deep cleaning across floor types. The Dyson V11 torque drive cord-free vacuum quickly transforms to a handheld for quick clean UPS, spot cleaning and cleaning difficult places. Thank you for watching about Top 10 Best Stick Vacuums 2019.